going off?
Flash flood warning.
Flash flood warning!
For the following county: Beaver, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Allegheny County
for Allegheny,
in southwestern
Beaver, Washington, and
Pennsylvania,
Westmoreland.
Central
They're all in a
Washington
flash
County
flood.
in
What the
southwestern
hell?
Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen, with up to 1.0 additional rainfall expected.
Yep, it's going down now.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard:
I was
flash
not
flooding caused by
expecting that to
thunderstorms.
hit. What
Source:
the hell?
radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, McMurray, McKeesport, Franklin Park, Jeanette, Gastonville, Shaler Township, Plum, West Mifflin, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, and Murraysville. Turn around. Don't drown when
Wait, a tornado
flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. For the following county: Beaver,